Hey guys, hope you are good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to fix black screen problem in your device Tecno Spark 9. But before we talk about that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video.